What if I told you you could reprogram your mind every single night while you sleep? And what if doing this could change your habits, your mindset, and even your life without any extra effort during the day? Tonight, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Right before you fall asleep, your brain shifts into what's called the alpha and theta states. These are relaxed, dreamy brain waves, the same states children spend a lot of time in, and why they learn so quickly. In this state, your conscious mind relaxes, and your subconscious becomes open, ready to accept new ideas, beliefs, and instructions. This is the secret window. If you learn how to use it, you can plant seeds in your mind that grow overnight, shaping how you think, how you feel, and how you act, without you even realizing it. But here's the problem. Most people, unknowingly, program themselves with negativity before bed. Think about it. How often do you lie there, replaying an argument, or worrying about tomorrow, or scrolling social media, comparing yourself to others? The subconscious doesn't judge. It simply absorbs whatever you feed it. So, if your last thoughts are stress, self-doubt, or fear, you're literally rehearsing and reinforcing those patterns. The result? You wake up the next day, already carrying yesterday's problem. Step 1. Choose your outcome or identity. First, decide exactly what you want to program. This is your mental target, and without it, your subconscious has no clear direction. Think of it like setting a GPS before a journey. If you don't set a destination, you just wander. Your outcome could be a habit you want to build, like daily exercise, a feeling you want to live in, like inner peace, a trait you want to strengthen, like confidence or focus. Make it short, positive, and present tense, as if it's already true. Examples: I am calm and confident. I take daily actions toward my goals. I am disciplined and focused. Avoid negatives. Instead of, I'm not anxious, say, I am at peace. Your subconscious doesn't process not. It focuses on the main image you give it. This works because the brain responds to clear, emotionally charged statements. The more specific and vivid your outcome, the easier it is for your subconscious to align your thoughts and actions with it. Advanced twist. Write your outcome on a sticky note and keep it by your bed. Read it slowly every night before the rest of your routine. This creates a visual anchor for your brain. Step 2. Visualize it clearly. Once you know what you want, see it in your mind. Your brain can't tell the difference between a vivid mental image and reality. It reacts the same way. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already living it. If your outcome is confidence, see yourself walking into a meeting, shoulders back, smiling easily, speaking with certainty, and feeling comfortable in your own skin. If your goal is financial abundance, picture yourself opening your banking app and seeing the number you want. Imagine how your body feels: relaxed, grateful, excited. Science bite. Visualization works because it activates the reticular activating system in your brain, filtering opportunities and behaviors that align with your mental image. Advanced twist. Add as many senses as possible: smell, sound, temperature, touch. If you want a healthy lifestyle, smell the fresh morning air on your jog. Feel the sweat on your skin. Hear the sound of your shoes hitting the pavement. The richer the detail, the deeper the programming.
Real quick, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more awesome people like you. And if you're new here, subscribe for more contents to improve your life. Now back to it.
Step 3. Use affirmations with feeling. Your subconscious absorbs ideas more deeply when they're linked to emotion and rhythm. That's where affirmations come in. Pick your statement from step 1 and repeat it slowly, but here's the key. Feel it as if it's already true. For example, I am, inhale, calm and confident, exhale. Don't just say the words, imagine embodying them. Research shows that affirmations influence the neural pathways associated with self-perception. When repeated with conviction, they rewire your brain to expect the behavior you're affirming. Try whispering your affirmation just before you drift off, so it's the last thing your conscious mind hears. Or, record your affirmations in your own voice and play them quietly as you fall asleep. Your subconscious will keep listening. Step 4. Stack gratitude on top. Gratitude is one of the fastest ways to shift your brain into a state that's open to good things. When you focus on what's working, you train your mind to expect more of it. Each night, think of 3 to 5 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. The sound of rain while you were indoors, a good conversation with a friend, a small task you finally completed. Studies show gratitude boosts serotonin and dopamine, the brain's feel-good chemicals. These chemicals enhance neuroplasticity, helping your brain lock in positive changes faster. As you think of each thing, feel the gratitude in your body, maybe a warm sensation in your chest or a smile forming naturally. This emotional charge cements the experience in your subconscious. Step 5. Protect your mental input. You could do all the previous steps perfectly, but if you fill your mind with negativity right before bed, you're planting weeds in the same soil you just prepared. At least 30 minutes before sleep, avoid news. It's designed to trigger fear and alertness. Avoid heated discussions. They raise cortisol and adrenaline, making it harder for your mind to relax. Avoid endless scrolling. Social media triggers comparison and overstimulation. Instead, choose inputs that support your mental program. Read a few pages of an inspiring book. Listen to soft music or an uplifting podcast. Write down your affirmation and gratitude list. Your last waking thoughts are often replayed during early sleep cycles. This is called sleep onset processing, and it's why your bedtime mental diet matters so much. Create a power-down ritual. Dim the lights, turn on calm background audio, and read something that reinforces the identity you're programming. Over time, your brain will associate this routine with deep, restorative sleep and positive mental reinforcement. If you want to take this further, you can play soft audio affirmations or guided meditations as you drift off. Your subconscious will keep listening long after you fall asleep. You can also keep a notebook by your bed, and each night, jot down your affirmation and one thing you're grateful for. This strengthens the signal you're sending to your mind. Your mind is the most powerful tool you'll ever own, and the way you program it before sleep will decide the life you wake up to. Try this tonight and do it for 7 nights in a row. You might be surprised how quickly your mornings and your life start to change. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments and share it with someone who could use a better tomorrow. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll catch you on the next one. Because when you take action, it worked.